Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running, well, I was going to say version 14 or version 12.6.4, but we're going to be doing version 14 Lite, which is pretty crazy to say. Can't believe we're, we actually have it downloaded and we're using it. So if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe because I'm posting videos like this one all the time. So right now we're parked in a parking lot, and I could just press this button. I have our destination set, and it should pull out of the parking lot pretty nicely. It gets us out of there. I parked pretty close to the exit here, so it was pretty quick. And it's gonna check. This is a weird little parking lot, so that's kind of why I chose it. So it's kind of weird. And now we make this right. It was clear and it did that very perfectly. So far my experience with version 14 Lite is a little bit weird. It's kind of weird saying it, honestly. I've been saying version 12.6.4 for the past 2 months every single day with all the videos. So it's kind of weird to switch what I say to version 14 Lite. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. Yeah, so for those of you who have been watching the channel for so long, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, it took us a long time to get here, 2 months of making videos. I've been using version 12.6.4 for about a year. I've owned this Tesla for about a year. So it's pretty cool how now I get to see version 14 Lite, which should be probably, a pretty good update. The last few days have been pretty rough. It's not the best, but I just want to say it might be unlucky. And I'm not going to be too harsh on it. 12.6.4 has done pretty terrible things, and I have it recorded too. So if you guys want to see what 12.6.4 was like and how bad it was, check out my previous videos where I covered mostly that kind of stuff. But it's a morning drive. I have it in hurry because I've heard a lot of you say that hurry might be a little bit better. A lot of you guys are getting it. A lot of you guys are waiting to get it. I'm lucky that I even got it. I thought I was going to take months to get it. A lot of you guys are also in that same boat where you guys think it's going to take a long time, and hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully you guys get it as early as I did. I can't wait for you guys to experience it as well. And if you guys already have it and are experiencing it, comment down below what you guys think. Is it a good update? Are you guys enjoying it? Are you guys feeling that it's a lot better than 12.6.4? And currently it's been cruising pretty well. It's going a little bit over the speed limit, going 60 instead of 50, but that's okay. Everybody likes to go a little bit fast in the morning, and honestly I prefer to not cause that much chaos on the road. So we're gonna just follow the flow of traffic. And honestly, it's going a little too fast. Also, it's kind of weird that I can't set the speed offset anymore. It's when I do the scroll, it's the profiles, which is very weird because I personally prefer to be able to set the max speed. I grew up driving cruise control, adaptive cruise control, or traffic aware cruise control, whatever. So it's kind of natural for me to be able to I'm gonna shut that light off. Hopefully that light didn't really make a difference. That truck was going really fast. That was pretty close. That was very weird, but FSD didn't panic or anything, which is pretty good. But yeah, I grew up with cruise control, traffic aware cruise control, so I'm always changing the max speed and stuff. And I just like it going the speed I set, preferably. Obviously full self-driving, you're not supposed to be touching the pedals and stuff. We're getting over to the right here because our entrance ramp to the highway is right there, so it's pretty good that it did that. But yeah, I prefer to set my own max speed. I'm pretty comfortable with that. I kind of like that. It's just kind of what I prefer. Obviously, I understand that's not the vision of full self-driving. Full self-driving, you're supposed to not touch anything. And changing the max speed does kind of ruin the full self-driving aspect. And I guess I kind of understand that. But personally, I disagree. Or not. I don't disagree, but like, I kind of just like how it was. But whatever. Hopefully I get used to it. Probably will. And it's kind of good that they have a few modes. They have sloth mode, chill mode, standard mode, and hurry. Chill, hurry, chill, standard, and hurry were the original ones. And so the new one is sloth. I thought we were gonna get Mad Max, but apparently we're not. So Or maybe we are and we just haven't got it yet. I don't know. It's getting on this entrance ramp. It's doing this very well. Very nice, very centered. Pretty good speed, 45. Not too fast, not too slow. You see the beautiful sky. I love the sky. I love the clouds. It looks amazing. Full self-driving, hands off. I don't know why it's off. I think I can't see my eyes. Maybe I'm talking too much. I don't know. Now we're going up to speed. We are in standard mode, so this is probably the default configuration of what your FSD might be. It's going up to 100 kilometers an hour, not miles per hour. Getting over to the left lane here. Maybe might get over once more. Nope, it's staying in this lane, which is pretty good. Going 106, that's pretty good. Lots of people love to go 120, 130 here, which is pretty crazy because the speed limit is 100. So personally, I like to stick pretty close to the speed limit. So 106 is pretty good. If it goes any faster, I might drop it down to chill mode. But yeah, now I'm cruising comfortably. So far, I just feel like version 14 Lite is a lot more confident than 12.6.4. 12.6.4 was very jerky, very hesitant, like around turns, left turns, stop signs, right turns, stuff like that. And I feel like version 14 Lite is a lot more smooth and a lot more confident. But what I've noticed, the parking, like the self-parking, like when it goes to the parking lot, it just kind of just messes it up. And kind of just, just goes into the parking lot, but doesn't really like actually try to park. And it does front parking. I thought it would do, reverse parking when it gets to the parking lot. Like it would find a spot and just choose one and then, reverse park it in. But it doesn't do that. It just front parks and kind of just messes it up. So it's kind of weird. That's what my experience with the auto park so far has been. We might see today, it might be different. Maybe it's just the last few days where it's kind of just messed up. But we're gonna see what it does at this Burger King. So far the highway drive has been pretty good. It's just following the flow of the traffic. Cars are going a lot faster than us. Cars are behind us. So the car is gonna try speeding up a little bit here. Yeah, so far it's been smooth, very nice, very comfortable. So if you guys are going to work, if you guys are trying to, relax while driving, FSD can really help, and especially version 14 Lite should be making it a lot better. I'm not entirely, sure of version 14 Lite. I've only been using it for a few days. So as the coming weeks and months go on, I'll be more familiar with it, its quirks, its features, and just kind of how it drives. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe. I post videos like this one every single day. So if you guys are looking to get an older Tesla, looking to try out FSD, you guys could get a lot of information from these videos. I kind of just talk about my experience in owning a Tesla and EV and just FSD in general. And comment down below what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more harder drives, more downtown drives. Night drives are a little bit, we're gonna have to get over to the left lane here. Okay, yeah, it kind of does it a little bit late here, pretty close to the cutoff where that's the toll road here in Canada, the 407. So it's pretty good that we don't get on that because I don't want to pay for that. And stuff is already pretty expensive, so definitely don't want to pay for that. But yeah, tell me what you guys want to see. What kind of drives you guys want to see, what kind of stuff you want to see version 14 Lite do. I posted around like 90 videos of FSD version 12.6.4. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content on that version. I just kind of record the drives I do, and hopefully you guys like them. I've been reading a lot of your comments. A lot of you guys are liking the videos and subscribing, which is really awesome. I try to make the best videos for you guys. So yeah. So we're gonna be coming up to our exit shortly, and so far the highway drive has been pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, it's pretty quiet, pretty nice. Nice little morning drive here. I'm gonna get over soon. Cars are going a little bit fast. You can see the nice, beautiful sunrise there. The sun's still not out though. I think that's a sign that we're getting close to winter, because usually the sun's a little bit out by now. But we're getting over to the right again. Slowed down just a little bit. I felt that. But it's smooth, very comfortable so far. I'm gonna get over once more. This right turn, we've been messing up this right turn, so I'd actually be surprised if it messes up again. That would be pretty crazy. I'm not about messing it up one more time. Puts the right signal, and it doesn't look like it's gonna make this right turn. I don't know why. There's no cars behind us, so there's no reason it should be worried about a car blocking our right. And again, it's still not gonna make this right here, is it? Please. No, we're gonna put the signal on here because there is a car coming now. So again, I don't know what happened. FSD 12.6.4 was able to do this before, and then all of a sudden it stopped being able to do this. It would never take a right here anymore. But before, I would do, like, I have so many videos on it where, you know, it would take the right here and go down here. But then all of a sudden, a few weeks ago, like a week ago, or maybe I don't know the exact timeline, but roughly a week to maybe 2 weeks. Hold on, version 14 Lite is creeping up and does that right turn very well. That was very good. But, you know, roughly a week to 2 weeks ago, where FSD version 12.6.4 was doing that right turn a lot. We do that drive a lot, and it would do that right turn every single time on video. So you guys can check out the channel and see that it performed that right turn very well every single time. But roughly a week ago, it started to never really do it. We got some bikers here, there's some cyclists, so it's getting over to the left here, which is really nice. It's keeping a really good gap. It's actually kind of switching the lane there. It didn't put a signal though, which is kind of a problem. It shows on the GPS our destination there. I like how it shows that. I like how it pops out. That's pretty good. So we can prepare for our destination there. This bus is coming to a stop. Hopefully we can go around it. But yeah, so version 12.6.4, we're kind of messing up that right turn, and version 14 Lite is messing up that right turn as well. I don't know what happened. It's pretty well marked and stuff. But we're coming up on our destination here. It's on the right, so we're gonna have to go around this pickup truck, switching over the lanes. The lanes are pretty clear, so now we could get into this parking lot and kind of park, and I kind of want to see where it parks. Gets into the parking lot here. I don't know if this is the Burger King parking lot. I think it might be on the left here. And no, this is not the right parking lot. I don't want to go anywhere near this car wash here. Let me just drive here and see if it would park anywhere here. Oh, it's reversing. Oh my god, I've never seen a reverse. And it's reversing into the disability parking spot. I don't have a disability permit, and I'm pretty sure you get like $2,000 fines for that. What the heck? That's not good. I don't like that at all. I don't have a disability permit, so this is pretty bad. But yeah, that's version 14 Lite for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think. Did FSD version 14 Lite do anything good this video? Do you guys like it? And what do you guys think of the auto park? I think that was a pretty big fail on the auto park side. The drive was pretty good though. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one all the time. Check out the links in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for joining me on this drive, and see you guys in the next video. Peace. Stay safe, guys. Bye.